Hello everyone! So today I'm not going to teach you English lesson, but today I'm going to share some informative material which is about the soft drink which is very popular. It's Coke. Recently, the WHO, which is World Health Organization, they announced that the sweetener which is used in the Diet Coke possibly causes cancer. Yes, today our topic is about the sweetener which is used in Coke, which can cause cancer. Aspartame, which is used in thousands of the products including yogurt and chewing gum, which will be listed next month as possibly carcinogenic to humans. Carcinogenic means that these are cancer-causing agents for humans. Simply that can cause cancer. These are called carcinogenic. The carcinogenic products will be listed by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. IARC, which assesses whether something is potential hazard based on the published evidence, has previously come under scrutiny for causing alarm. Aspartame, which is used as sweetener and it is cancer-causing sweetener, has been widely used since the 1980s as a sweetener, and it's in around 6,000 products such as dietary, fizzy drinks, chewing gums, breakfast cereals, and cough drops. For example, an adult weighing 60 kg would have to drink between 12 and 36 cans of fizzy drinks, depending on the amount of aspartame in the beverage every day, to be at risk. Its view has been widely shared by national regulators, including in the United States and Europe. There are about 16 packs of sugar in a 600 ml bottle of regular soft drink, so regular consumption of soft drinks results in an abnormally high sugar intake. The sugar content of a 600 ml bottle means you are consuming around 1,000 unnecessary kilojoules. While the sugar itself doesn't directly increase your cancer risk, the excess kilojoules contribute to overweight and obesity, which are also known the risk factors for bowel, breast, pancreatic, and other cancers. Let me tell you some drawbacks of drinking Coke or any other soft drink. First one is empty calories. Coke is a source of empty calories, meaning it provides energy in the form of Coke but lacks essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fibers. This can lead to overconsumption of calories without providing necessary nutrients for overall health. It also increases the chronic diseases. Excessive consumption of sugar beverages have been linked to an increased risk of chronic conditions such as cardiovascular diseases. These are diseases linked to heart, including heart disease and high blood pressure. It also contains caffeine content. Coca-cola contains caffeine, which is a stimulant. While moderate caffeine intake is generally safe for most people, excessive consumption can lead to problems such as sleep disturbances, increased heart rate. It is also cause of dehydration. Coke can contribute to dehydration due to its caffeine content and high sugar concentration. So to prevent the drawbacks associated with the drinking soft drinks like Coke, it's important to practice moderation and make informed choices. Limit the consumption of soft drinks to occasional treats rather than daily habits. So maintaining good oral hygiene habits, staying hydrated with water, and focusing on a balanced diet that includes nutrient-rich foods are crucial. And one more important thing is educating yourself about the potential health risk of excessive soft drink consumption can provide the motivation needed to make healthier choices. So stay away from these unhealthy drinks and eat healthy and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.